Good evening to all. In this video lecture, we are going to solve a problem in DC series motor. It is useful for the students who are studying the subjects electrical drives and control, electrical machines 1 and the solid state drives. The problem is a 220 volt DC series motor is running at a speed of 800 rpm and draws 100 amps. Calculate at what speed the motor will run when developing half the torque. Total resistance of the armature and the field is 0.1 ohm. Assume that the magnetic circuit is unsaturated. Students, first we have to write the given data from the given problem. Here supply voltage and the speed N1, armature current IA1 and the addition of armature and the field resistances is equal to 0.1 ohm. All the values are given. Then write the required data. Here the required data is speed of the motor N2 and developing half the torque. To solve the problem, students should know following relations. First one, N is proportional to EB divided by phi, where N is speed, EB back EMF, phi is flux. And one more relationship between torque and armature current, that is TA is proportional to phi and IA. Armature torque is directly proportional to flux and also proportional to armature current. These two are basic relations between speed back EMF and armature torque with the armature current. But for DC series motor, flux value is always directly proportional with the armature current. So instead of writing TA is proportional to phi IA, you can write TA is proportional to IA square. To find the value of speed of the motor N2, you have to get the ratio between N2 and N1. Here N2 is, according to this relation, N2 is EB2 by phi2. N1 is EB1 divided by phi1. As we discussed earlier, phi flux is directly proportional to armature current. So phi2 is equal to IA2. Similarly, phi1 can be written IA1. Now simplify this equation. So N2 by N1 is equal to EB2 by EB1 into IA1 divided by IA2. In the given problem, field is unsaturated. The condition is given, so TA is proportional to IA square. We have to get torque ratio, that is T2 to T1. According to this equation, the known values are N1 and IA1. Remaining are unknown values, so we have to find the unknown values. For that, get the condition that the motor will run when developing half the torque. So T2 by T1 is equal to IA2 by IA1 whole square. Here T2 is equal to half of T1. So half of T1 divided by T1 is equal to IA2 by IA1 whole square. You can cancel both T1. From that you can get the value of IA2 square, which is equal to IA1 square into 1 by 2. You can get the value of IA2 alone, which is equal to IA1 into 1 by root 2. The value of IA1 is 100 amps divided by root 2 is equal to 70.7 amps. It is the value of IA2. Now we can find the value of back EMF EB1, and the equation of EB1 is equal to V minus IA1 RA. Value of V 220, IA1 is 100, RA is 0.1. Here RF is neglected, so RA is equal to 0.1 ohm. The value of EB1 is 210 volt. Similarly, you can get the value of EB2, that is V minus IA2 RA. Here V 220, value of IA2 is 70.7 amps, value of RA 0.1. So EB2 value is 212.9 volt. Now take the previous equation which was solved earlier, that is N2 by N1 is equal to EB2 by EB1 into IA1 by IA2. Here N2 is unknown value and the remaining N1, EB1, EB2, IA1, IA2 all are known values. Substitute all these values. EB2 212.9, EB1 210. IA1 212.9, IA2 70.7. So that gives unknown value N2, which is equal to 1147 RPM. So dear students, from this problem you can get clear idea about the relationship between armature torque and armature current in DC series motor. Also, you can find the unknown values of EB2, IA2 and N2. Thank you all.